Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and download Yandere simulator. So first thing first, go to google.com and in the search bar type in Yandere simulator and go search. After that you'll find the official website. So just click on that link right here. After that, just go to download right here on the top and scroll down a little bit until you find download launcher right here. Or if it doesn't work, just choose one link or second link right here. So it takes time, so just wait. And now it's all done. Just extract the file on your computer and install. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.